Shivering streets, a tiny cry in the night. Paws so shaky, eyes wide with fright. You were just fur and bones, lost in the rain. Come here, little Smudge, let's ditch this pain. Blanket, cocoon, a bowl of warm milk. Smudge blinked slow, fur slick as silk. Sam whispered, "You're safe now, no need to hide." And that's when the kitten curled up by their side. Meow, meow, Smudge, you're home where you belong. From lonely alley nights to a love so strong. Purr, purr, Smudge, in Sam's arms you're snug. You're not just a stray, you're a heart-stealing thug. Bath time bubbles, oh what a fuss. Smudge shook the tub. This water's a trick, Sam, trick us. But soap turned to suds, a snow white fluff. Now Smudge prances around like, "Hey, I'm fancy enough." Kitten sneezed, then a mischievous meow. Meow, meow, Smudge, you're home where you belong. From sneaky cupboard raids to a purr so strong. Purr, purr, Smudge, in a sunbeam you hug. You're not just a cat, you're a cuddle bug thug. Now Sam sings lullabies, off-key but sweet. Smudge needs their lap with jelly bean feet. You're my little tornado, my whiskered best friend. And the street's just a memory, they found their happy end. Meow, meow, Smudge. Purr, purr, Smudge. Forever you're human, forever your crutch. Meow, meow, Smudge. Purr, purr, Smudge.